here I got more eBay packages. I got the shipping labels off of all of them, so I'm gonna unbox them now. I got a power cord to test my fire alarm. It comes with the wires connector, so I can connect the wire to it. That's very nice. It's a 24 volt adapter. Pretty small. Shipping label in the box. I'm gonna move that go away. They got speaker terminal blocks for my ceiling speakers and stuff. I do need these because I don't want to keep ripping the wires and stuff, ruining them. So this would help slow aging. Last but not least, I saved the best for last. This is a speaker. Believe it or not. This is bigger than I thought it would be. I hope this fits on the wood board. Yeah, styrofoam though. This is. Hold on. See it in a few seconds. There we go. I'm glad that's a 4-inch speaker. So it'll have much better bass than the 3-inch ones. Tower would be smaller, though. This is the same speaker as the Boken SM14. No joke. This is the same thing. I got this piece that was a little cheaper and newer. It can be tapped at 4 watts. It's a very nice speaker. There's no chip in the magnet. So that is very, very, very nice. I really wanted these. I think that wood board will fit. Hopefully. I really like these a lot. These got very good bass. So, yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.